So if you've got something good to share, then do it. If you, with a little bit of creativity and brainstorming, I think most people can have reason to write something compelling in a personal statement and a diversity statement and an optional essay and a character and fitness only when the situation warrants it, obviously. But I wouldn't, for example, I wouldn't take, let's say you've been arrested for something that you did. I wouldn't make that the personal statement and then not write a character and fitness. I would put that in the character and fitness and find something else to talk about for the personal statement. So automatically, you've been arrested, you did something, or maybe you didn't do something, but you got to disclose it. I wouldn't only make that the personal statement and leave it there. Or if you are not a represented minority, I wouldn't only make that a personal statement. I would probably use the opportunity to make that a diversity statement and talk about that there, and then talk about something else in the personal statement. Or as the previous person said, Mariam was talking about being immigrating to the US, and that as a personal statement, and then talking about something else in the diversity statement. I think most people have the chance to write at least two, and probably three. You could, you could write an addendum for a low GPA or a low LSAT score, potentially, depending on the details. But if you've got a low GPA because things were going on while you were in college, I wouldn't make it the focus of the personal statement and then not say anything else about yourself. So I do like the idea of taking more opportunities to talk about different topics in more areas. That being said, I wouldn't just aim to fill it up for the sake of filling it up. Don't waste their time with it. But again, with some brainstorming, with some creativity, if you just sit down for an hour and think about the 7 biggest events in your life, you just write down 7 big events that shaped you from the time that you were 2 years old until the present. Most people have 7 major turning points, major life events where things could have gone one way or another way, and everything shifted as a result of that. So if you take some time to think about that, you'll find there's probably 3 good topics right there. So which could be personal statement, diversity statement, then some optional essay or a character and fitness, or both. Thanks for tuning into the show. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already to be notified of new episodes as I release them. And feel free to reach out if you need anything at all as you move forward with your prep. I'm happy to help however I can. In the meantime, I'll wish you all the best and take care.